Hi traders, what if I told you that just one single candle on the higher time frame of 4 hours chart could help you make more than $500 a day? No indicators, no fancy tools, just clean price action and the time test logic. In this video, I will show you how I use one candle to frame a tradable zone, then drop to the lower time frame of 5-minute chart for laser sharp entries. Let's define the 4-hour tradable zone. We already have the 4 hours time frames open. This is the chart that we have seen here. This chart here is the higher time frame of 4 hours. So right now, as you can see, we have bullish and bearish candles. The problem most traders face is that most traders either trade too small or too late. Most of the time, they relate to indicators, the lag or setups that are too complicated. The truth is the market leaves clues in every candle, especially in the 4-hour time frame. That's why I use a method that focuses on the structure and the story of the previous candle. And that's what we're gonna see in this video. Because technical analysis is about that. Technical analysis is about the price, is about volume, is about time, is about sentiment, is about behavior, market behavior. And all those things are inside this candle here. The candle gives us a lot of information. So if we study the anatomy of this candle, we know everything about the chart. We can do whatever we want to do with this, because this one here, the 4 hours, give us the context, and the 5-minute will provide us the precision for our entry. And remember this, that a run in a higher time frame is a trend in a lower time frame, and that's what we are showing here. So how are we going now to enter this market and place our trade? Okay, because we are in a bullish market, we wait until price enter the buy zone, and the previous 5-minute candle close bullish, and when we see that, we enter at the high. Okay, that's what we have to do.